Unlocking English. Coordinating conjunctions uncovered. Hello, language learners. Today we're delving into an essential part of English grammar, coordinating conjunctions. This is a fundamental building block for creating more complex and fluent sentences. By the end of this video, you'll understand what they are, how they function, and how you can use them in your own English sentences. Let's start by understanding what coordinating conjunctions are. They are words that join together elements of equal grammatical rank or importance. This might mean connecting two independent clauses, two nouns, two verbs, and so on. The coordinating conjunctions in English are FANBOYS. And no, we're not talking about enthusiastic admirers here. It's an acronym that stands for and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Now that we know what they are, let's see how to use them. 1. For is used to indicate reason or because of. E.g., she was happy, for she had won the lottery. 2. And is used to add one thing to another. E.g., she is smart and beautiful. 3. Nor is used to present a negative alternative. Remember, it should be used after a negative clause. E.g., he is not going to the party, nor is he interested. 4. But is used to show a contrast or exception. E.g., she is small but strong. 5. Or is used to present alternatives or choices. E.g., would you like tea or coffee? 6. Yet is used to introduce a contrast or unexpected result. E.g., it was raining, yet she went out for a walk. 7. So is used to show result or effect. E.g., he was tired, so he went to bed. Remember, when you connect two independent clauses with these conjunctions, a comma usually comes before the conjunction. It's time to practice. Try making your own sentences using each coordinating conjunction. Here's an example. I love to play basketball, but I also enjoy reading. In this sentence, but is the coordinating conjunction that joins two equal, related thoughts. And there you have it. Coordinating conjunctions are essential tools for structuring your sentences and expressing more complex ideas in English. Practice using them regularly, and you'll find your English becoming more fluent and natural. Keep practicing, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!